In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a ChatGPT conversation. So you can export your chat history as a PDF file with ChatGPT. Keep in mind that this currently only works for text conversations and it won't export images. So there's a couple of ways to do this. So tap on the share button in the top right corner of your screen. Copy this link and open in a new window. This will give you a clean view of the conversation. Scroll to the top of the chat and highlight all the text, starting from the first letter, and you might have to scroll all the way down. And once you've highlighted everything, right-click on it and select Print. Then choose Save as PDF from the Destination section. To make sure that all the text is properly displayed, you can go to More Settings and adjust the margins. By default, the margin will be on default. Change it to none or minimum. This should fit all your text on the screen. This isn't a perfect solution, but it's the best way we have right now. You can't center the text, but you can customize the scale to fit more text on the screen. Once you've selected Save as PDF, tap on Save to download the PDF file. Tap on Save again, and you'll be done. Now, when you open the PDF, you'll see the entire chat history, including your questions and ChatGPT's response. Currently, this method does not work for chat containing images. However, it works great for text-based conversations. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.